So thank you guys for joining me. Today we are going to be doing our BoxyCharm unboxing, and I have the BoxyLuxe. If you're unfamiliar with BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe, BoxyCharm is a subscription box just like Ipsy that you pay a monthly fee. The BoxyLuxe comes like once every 3 months, so every third month. If you sign up for BoxyLuxe, I think you pay a little extra money, and instead of getting the regular Boxy, you get the BoxyLuxe, which comes with more products and is worth more than the regular Boxy. And I've been getting the BoxyLuxe for a little while now, and I enjoy getting the BoxyLuxe. Sometimes I keep my BoxyCharms just for the BoxyLuxe, but I enjoy them all. So I do know some of the products in here because BoxyCharm did let us choose some of the products that we want. They did not guarantee every product that we wanted, but I did have a peek in this when it came. So I know some of the products, but I didn't dive too deep in this. So I don't know every product that's in here. And they sent a card just like Ipsy does with the products and a little bit of description on them and the price of the products. And so I can see the first thing sticking out of here is what's a product that I actually picked. It's the Sultra clipping curling iron with a cooling tip. And what this is a curling one. And the reason why I chose this curling one, I'm gonna try to open it up, it's because it was either this or some motor brushes. And y'all know I love brushes, but I honestly don't need more brushes. And I love the motor brush variant. I don't think you could have went wrong with the motor brushes. I kind of almost regretted not getting the motor brushes, but I do not have a curling one like this. So for me, this is something I don't have in my collection. I have a lot of brushes in my collection, so I was fine with choosing this, and I was happy that I actually got it. Now this retail for it says it's a clipless curling iron and it's a perfect tool for beach wave glam curls, soft tight curls, even ringlets curls. This retails for $65, and to me it's just a nice size curling one. I don't know if I would use my hair with it, but when I get my sew-ins or if I put on a wig or something, this will be a great tool to do wand curls with. So I don't know, I've never used one of these myself. I've had my hair done by others before, so this is going to be interesting. Maybe this is something I can do on camera with you guys. We shall see. And like I said, this retails for $65, and it came in the BoxyLuxe. Okay, so the next thing that we have in here, I'm just trying to keep it moving because I don't want to take too much time. It says it's the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and it's worth $45. And y'all know what? This palette smells just like the other Tarte palette, the small palette. What's that small palette I got from Tarte? I love it. You know, I think it's in my stuff. I took it for my stuff for work, but it smells just like it. It smells so amazing. Now it says that this all-in-one palette features 12 amazing Amazonian clay powdered shades. The play with the light and the shadow, the creamy microfine powder is infused with Amazonian clay, which offers rich payoff that blends to a natural long-wear finish without creasing, caking, or flaking. It's the perfect multitasking all-in-one beauty wardrobe, whether you're feeling low-key or high-key looks, and it's worth $45. This is beautiful. It's amazing packaging. You can feel this. It's amazing packaging. I like this palette. It's beautiful. To me, it's more of a everyday palette. It's typical Tarte. Y'all seen my products that I don't like, and a Tarte palette made it, but this palette to me looks better than that palette. So, you know, it's high end. You can tell it's high end. It's gonna be great. Okay, so the next product I'm going to pull out of here, I did not pick this product. I forgot what product I picked, but I can definitely tell you it was not this. It's the Clean Skin Water Bottle Infusers. You pack your water bottle with the choice of nutritious, healthy fruits and vegetables, and this retails for $17. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna see if I can get it open for you guys. What you can do is, like, if you want to like lemon or cucumber or something in your water, you can put that on the inside of it, and of course fill your water bottle. Now this is a nice size water bottle. This would actually be perfect for me for work, but I did not choose it. So yeah, I think it's a good thing to have, but it's not what I would want in my beauty box. Give me a palette, give me some eyeshadows, give me some mascara. Give me anything except for a water bottle. I did not choose this. Was not my choice, but it's a good tool to have. I can tell you, I'm gonna try to get some use out of it. Someone in my household will get some use out of it. So we also have it looks like I got some Dr. Brandt in here. Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. It's a hydrating, recovering sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight and reduces redness and smooth the signs of irritation. So it's a Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Now, Dr. Brandt, I've got their baggage thing, but I haven't used it. So this is gonna be interesting to use because I've got another sleeping mask coming. You guys don't know about it, but I've got another sleeping mask that's coming, and I could do a duel of the sleeping mask. You know, I could put it on, wake up the next morning, I can show you guys. So this could be an interesting video for you guys, and it could be interesting to let you guys know how this product works versus the other products. This Dr. Brandt retails for $52. Wow, that's an expensive product for $52. Now that thing better show up and show out. I ain't playing. I'm talking about $52 for it. Oh, I also got, this is a product I picked out, you guys. Is it on here? It's the Glow Recipe Pineapple Brightening Serum. And it was either, you could get this or the, I'm trying to find something open with. You could either choose, it was this, and it was between this and the Sunday Riley. And I honestly had a sample size of the Sunday Riley from the Ipsy small bag. So I wasn't too impressed about it, so I really wanted. And then y'all know I broke my my ordinary hyaluronic serum, so I've been wanting to get some more. I just didn't want to repurchase that one because, you know, because it was just hyaluronic acid. I wanted some more, and so I'm just waiting to see if I can get some in my boxes. This looks kind of cloudy in here, but I bet you it's the pineapple. I bet you it smells so great. It looks kind of thick, huh? It looks thick. I'm gonna open this, you guys. Oh man, it smells so good. It looks chunky, kind of like pineapple does. Can you guys see it? It looks kind of chunky, kind of like pineapple does. It's a thicker serum. It's definitely a thicker serum than that hyaluronic acid that I had. Oh, but it feels so good. Okay, this is going directly in the skincare fridge. Okay, so the Pineapple C Brightening Serum. I'm going to read what they have on the paper. I done forgot all about it. I got so excited. I chose this. I'm excited about it. So the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Brightening Serum, it retails for $49. Like, whoa, $49. Look at that. It's the ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing, formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice. One of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C, natural AHA, and bromelain, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, enzymes, infused with chamomile, aloe, vitamin E to smooth and even the most sensitive skins. I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to try it, and it retails for $49, and you can buy this right now at Sephora. That's a luxury product. What do we have next? And what am I going to pull out next out of this box? Okay, so this is this Sponge-Nail. I did not choose this. Sponge-Nail Mani-Pedi treatment set. Sponge-Nail Salted Rose Mani-Pedi treatment set. This retails for about $18. It says it infused with skin softening formula and smoothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp. These buffers are the solution to silky, polished hands and feet, packaged in an easy to use size for travel, and it's an all-in-one beauty treatment. So they are basically just what do you call those things that you buff your feet with? I forget. I have some in my bathroom. So I have one. They do smell like peppermint. It smells good. I have one. It's I can't think of the brand it is, but I love the one that I have. But since I do use these at home in between pedicures, they will get some use out of them. But it's not what I would have picked in my beauty box. So moving on. The next products we have in here, it's okay. It's IGK Mistress Anti-Freeze Leave-In Conditioner. And it's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down, and it retails for $29. Y'all know I don't really care for, like, maybe they gave me this because I picked the curl lines, but I really don't care for like hair care products in my beauty boxes because I have a different type of hair. I like to use the products that are for my hair, and I don't know if this is for my hair or if this is going to jack up my hair, if it's going to take my hair out. So they could have kept this. I'm good on this. It retails for $29. The next product in my box I have is it's a Stila Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, and it retails for $22, and it's in the color Pantemia Shimmer or something. I don't think I own any Stila lipsticks, but let's swatch this and let's see what it looks like. I could have possibly put this in the giveaway, but I'm gonna swatch it now, so it's too late. Okay, so I would probably, knowing me, I would probably wear this during the springtime. It does have some shimmer to it, so I probably would wear this spring and summer. Hey, if I'm feeling great during the fall, who knows? Y'all might see this in the fall. Who knows? So you guys, that's all. I think those are all the products that are in my box. Oh no, I got one more product in my box. It's a Hank and Henry stick with it. What is this? Let me read the paper. Hank and Henry. Is this on here? Yes, it's a Hank and Henry blackety, I don't know, it's a black eyeliner, and it retails for $20. I'm not too excited about this product that's in my box, BoxyLuxe this month. Normally BoxyLuxe is like way more better than the normal boxes, but I'm not too excited about the products in my BoxyLuxe. The only products that I'm thinking about probably that I'm happy to receive is the Glow Recipe, the curling wand, you know, some of this other stuff I may use, I may not use. So these to me were the two products that I picked out were the only two products that I'm really excited to receive. So, but I do think BoxyLuxe is worth the money, but if you're not going to have a great box every time. So sometimes I tell you guys, you know, you're not going to have a great box every time. You're going to get products in there that you're probably going to use. You're going to get products in there that you're probably not going to use. A lot of people join. There's some Facebook groups where they could, they trade their products. They sell their products. It's like if you didn't get this product and you really want it, there are people on there that are selling their products. So if you have some products that you really don't want, you can sell them. You can trade them. You can gift them to a friend. But these subscription boxes are a great way to it's a great way to build up your collection and to be exposed to new products that you normally would not purchase. That's the purpose of these boxes. But I'm going to let you guys know that I have down below in the description a referral link for BoxyCharm, for Ipsy, for Let's Box, for Rakuten, for my Instagram. Come on over, baby. So come on over to the Instagram. Join me on my Instagram page. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys later. Thank you.